Ever wondered how roofs are made to last and withstand all kinds of weather? Today, we're embarking on an engaging journey into the roofing process. We'll unravel the step-by-step procedure that ensures your roof lasts, regardless of the season. From removing the old shingles to the final cleanup, every stage plays a vital role in creating a roof that not only looks good, but one that will stand the test of time. So hold on tight, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of roofing. The first step is removing the existing shingles and underlayment. This is crucial as it allows us to assess the condition of the roof deck and make necessary repairs. We're mindful during this process, carefully lifting the shingles to avoid causing any damage to the underlying structure. It's a bit like peeling an orange, removing the outer layer to reveal what's underneath. With the old shingles and underlayment out of the way, we have a clean slate for the next steps. First, we thoroughly inspect the roof for damaged wood. This includes rotten plywood, fascia, and framing. Next, we will remove and replace any wood as needed. A sturdy, high-quality structure is crucial for a lasting roof. It's the backbone that supports everything else. At Suncoast Roofing, we don't compromise on quality. Our replacement materials are top-notch, ensuring your roof stands strong against any weather. Our seasoned professionals, like our branch manager Cesar Rodriguez, make sure no detail is overlooked. With a solid structure in place, we now move on to re-nailing the roof deck. This is a crucial step in the roofing process. Here at Suncoast Roofing, we pay careful attention to this detail. We use 8-penny ring shank nails, as recommended by Florida's building code. These nails, known for their superior holding power, ensure the roof deck's stability and longevity. This will give you a credit for your wind mitigation inspection, which is included with all of our roof replacements. Our dedicated team, led by branch manager Cesar Rodriguez, ensures every nail is perfectly placed. With the roof deck firmly in place, it's time to install the new drip edge. Our galvanized drip edge comes in a variety of colors, giving your roof a clean, finished look. Here at Suncoast Roofing, we ensure that the drip edge is nailed every 4 inches on center and overlapped by a minimum of 3 inches, exactly in accordance with Florida building codes. Next, we install WeatherWatch self-adhered membrane directly to the entire roof deck, with a second layer in the valleys and around all penetrations. This acts as your secondary leak barrier, which offers protection against the elements. This will also give you another credit for your wind mitigation. With the membrane in place, we can move on to replacing lead pipe coverings and gooseneck vents. Now comes the exciting part, the installation of new shingles. Suncoast Roofing brings you top-notch quality with GIF Timberline HDZ architectural shingles, securing each one with 6 nails. To combat wind uplift, we embed the starter shingle in roof cement along all edges, and we don't stop there. We also make sure that your roof is properly ventilated by installing Cobra Ridge vents. We then finish everything off by installing hip and ridge caps as needed. This ensures longevity and durability of your new roof. With the shingles in place, we're nearing the finish line. The final step involves a thorough cleanup. Suncoast Roofing spares no effort in making sure your property remains pristine. We use tarps to safeguard your landscaping and a magnet wheel to gather any stray nails. We also handle permitting and trash removal, so you don't have to worry about the post-construction mess. Our office staff offers stellar communication. With Brittany Seltman, Ashley Aquilino, and Amber Fixico, you are in great hands. And that, my friends, is how Suncoast Roofing ensures your roof is built to last. Florida's #1 roofing estimator, Ian Hamill, can answer any question that you may have. All you need to say is, "Hamiltron activate," and he will be at your service.